where the mind is without fear and the head is held high.
Women get 70% of the salaries compared to men for the same job. They go through politics and bias when they try to reach the top and win.
As women, at times, I think most of the times people take you for granted.
I was very confused about how to take on my professional career, and I had a lot of challenges at my workplace.
If you are going through these challenges, I invite you to join our Introductory Leadership Masterclass.
This program has been designed very well. It has helped me gain clarity of my goals and how to develop and get started with my own startup. The experience has been enriching and fruitful.
There are so many things that I've learned from this program, and the best that I personally like is the art of being unpredictable.
आश्चर्य की बात है देवी और सज्जनों, बिल्कुल आश्चर्य की बात है। ये अपने आप में एक अजूबा है और इसका श्रेय जाना चाहिए राजेश भट्ट जी।
10,500 plus women. It's my privilege to tell you that they have used the platform and the masterclasses to reach the top.
I met Rajesh ji and I was inspired by him because you do work for yourself, for your family, but you're not doing work for other people. And he's doing a fantastic job.
You're interested? Join today.